In the rearview mirror is both an engrossing time capsule of pre-Vietnam America and a bittersweet meditation on youth, loss, and the journeys that define us. Hop in, roll down the windows, and hit the road for an unforgettable ride. Join Lee Livingston and his friend Dango as they set out from Cleveland on an audacious cross-country adventure that would shape their lives forever. Ride with them as they decide to hitchhike over 2,000 miles back across the country after wrecking their 1956 Pontiac Star Chief. A true, wild, and wonderful only-in-America adventure ensues. Experience 1961 Las Vegas through the boys' eyes. Encounter a Santa Fe bull. Get their take on Blaze Star. Hop a freight train across 2 states. Find out how Dango got his name. Discover an America of wide-open roads and wide-open people. See the positive relations between races before the America of assassinations and riots in the later 60s. Not only do the boys learn about their country, but they also begin to learn more about themselves as they hurtle towards adulthood with reckless abandon. In the rearview mirror is a classic new road story and a revealing coming-of-age tale. Every new mile brings a new story filled with humor, danger, and self-discovery. They meet an unforgettable cast of characters, from kind-hearted truckers to desert drifters, each offering a glimpse into an America that once was. Through laughter, hardship, and unexpected friendships, they navigate an unforgettable journey that changed them forever.